それぞれ誓った心って走れこ
Aku takut. Itu tadi barusan jangan diklip. Itu aku beneran takut, teman-teman. Takut banget gila. Jangan diklip. Ini kalau dijadiin konspirasi lagi, Ollie akan sangat marah. Ini Ollie lagi takut banget sumpah. Setengah mati. Ollie udah mati sih. If you guys start spreading rumors around that one, you guys won't understand. I'm just so scared right now. Any regrets, Ollie? Lots of regrets. Whenever I get scared, I try my best to actually scream. But usually when I'm like super scared, I just let out like really weird noises. I've been trying to like handle it. It comes out sometimes though. A normal person would definitely cry if they're too scared, right? Hence they're really weird noises either. Okay, one more Ollie weird noises. I'd probably go,